Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And the front of the box does have the AirPods embossed on it. And on the back, you can see that it has 2 seals on it as well. And so what these are for is these are a replacement for the AirPods 1st generation Pro that I've had for about 4 years now, ever since they came out. I don't remember exactly when, but the only thing that I've had to do with this generation of AirPods is replace these little silicone earpieces, and that was very recently. So in the last month or two, I replaced those. I have handed these down to someone else, and so now I no longer use them. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and get these going. And I did buy these on Amazon, and so I'll leave a link in the video description or check them out on my Amazon page. But there we go. We've got designed by Apple in California and no stickers. Okay, I don't see any stickers yet. Just some basic instructions, some more instructions, a bunch of cards here, and honestly, Apple is really good at doing a lot of sustainable packaging and stuff. So Apple, why don't you go ahead and just stop including all this paper if there's nothing in there but just the paper. And so without further ado, there's the box, but there's something under here. And so let me pull that out. Here are all of the replacement earpieces, and it also comes with a very nice, this is that new braided, all of Apple's cables have been braided recently, and this is USB-C to USB-C, so both ends are USB-C, whereas the prior generation, I believe, had a lightning adapter. And so listen to this. All right, so there's our AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And so real quick, let's compare them to the 1st generation. So you can almost tell the little baffles here are just a little different shaped, different sizes, but overall, these are the 2 right earpieces. Very similar design. Not much that you can see here, but anyway, check out my link in the video description and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.